So moving on to the 7th question, it is integral of sin 4x into sin 8x times dx. So again what you are going to do is multiply and divide it with 2. So half taken outside, integral of, it will be 2 sin 8x into sin 4x dx. So I have already discussed about the idea in the previous problem. So it is going to be half of integral of, I can write it as cos of a minus b. So cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, right, times dx. So this will basically be half of integral of cos 4x dx, cos 4x dx minus integral of, this will be cos 12x dx, right. So half of, what is the integral of cos 4x? It is going to be sin 4x divided by 4 minus integral of cos 12x will be sin 12x divided by 12 plus, so this will be equal to sin 4x divided by 8 minus sin 12x divided by 24 plus c. So this will be the final answer.